can do it how you wanna do it, nigga. The killer on the Reese is well earned, go figure. I ain't scared of shit with a heartbeat. I'm a head buster, homes it takes nada to spark me. We revolutionize gangsta shit. Them flags flying, let you know that you in LA trick. And you so disco, cookie cutting the bisco. Bro, I run with ex-felons who got nothing to live for. Straight-laced dum-dums, antisocial. Don't like no one if they not locals. Not too vocal, they don't say much. Rude and standoffish, they don't play much. I will say this, if you play this, I can shake your brain loose of all that gay shit. I'm a real nigga on that back in the day shit. Smoke a shine, stick up out the Regal and spray shit. Me and my amigos, the ones I call friends, are a pack of wild niggas. All real men, not all of them will shoot, but all of them will thump, and we'll turn this party out. You ain't looking at no punks. That LA gangbang culture is in us. Started in the 70s and it ain't finished. Big homie die, little homie replenish. Place in society, goddamn menace. I'm not bragging, I'm confessing. The why wearing what I am repping. Southern California, stand the fuck up. We at war, little buddy, time to fuck up. I'm fascinated by that gangsta shit. Always been a fan of that gangsta shit. You can count me in if it's gangsta shit. Just for the rush, I do gangsta shit. Been to the box twice over gangsta shit. Almost lost my life on that gangsta shit. I pulled my wife talking gangsta shit. I don't want the price of that gangsta shit. In 9th grade, I discovered my knuckles. Caught him clean on the chin, watched him buckle. Next day, him and his minions rushed me. He wanna run it back, he assumed I got lucky. I dropped my backpack, pulled my pants up, closed my hands up, and beat that man up. Won't be a day that Maurice don't stand up. I go to hell before I fuck my brand up. Practice what I preach what I practice. Violence is the equalizer, no tax brackets. Very little arguing, sock that faggot and run his fucking pockets to support show habits. I'm not bragging, I'm confessing. The why, where, and what I am